Lucky to be making the rounds on my Larchmont projects today. Gorgeous day. And our internet just went down again from the darn nor'easter. And now we're looking towards another one tomorrow. So, meanwhile, this Larchmont house is getting a really great kitchen, butler's pantry, mudroom renovation. We did a small bump out to connect the spaces, created a wall here for her double ovens and range. This is her sink wall, really beautiful. There's going to be double French doors with side lights, replacing the single door, a nice wide opening to the dining room. This wall has the combination pantry and entertaining area with the bev unit, because there is going to be a separate beautiful piece of custom cabinetry in the dining room. This is our newly created mudroom through here, drop spot tucked in there. This comes right in from the garage, and very fun to be able to be putting a banquette in this corner, which is a number one request I get from clients, but does not always make sense for the space, and it does for this project. So this will be a beauty over the next couple months.